This is the Canva transition you'll wish you learned sooner. Once you're in the presentation slide, choose the square, resize and recolor it however you want. Then, add the elements you want. Use the Remove Background tool and add the text. Adjust the size of your text. Keep tweaking until you are happy with it. Change the font to suit your presentation. Then, change the text. Keep adjusting it, like the size, and reposition it on the page however you want, and you can recolor it as well. Next, bring the other element to the front. Resize it to suit, then add other elements. Don't forget you can use the Remove Background tool. Keep adding other elements, tweak their sizing, positioning and rotation however you like. You can use the Duplicate tool to copy the same element, and the Flip tool, so make sure to use those tools as well. Keep adjusting until you're happy with it. Bring the elements to the front and duplicate the slide. In the other slide, resize the elements to make them all smaller. Adjust the size of the text, positioning as well as of the elements. Hide the other smaller elements behind the bigger one. Click the transition and choose the match and move and adjust the timing. That's it. You've just done the coolest Canva transition.
Like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.